Welcome back to channel Nkateko Waluka. This is a channel where you learn simple, basic knitting, crocheting, making some of the things like cushions. Because today we are going to teach you how to make a homemade round pillow starting from scratch. So you will need the polyester fiber filler, something like this. This is to put in your cushion. You can use any other filler you prefer. I prefer the polyester fiber filler. And you will need your fabric. The fabric that I prefer is a polycotton fabric like this. So today we are going to use this color for the simple reason that you can see our drawings on it when we make our rounds. And we're going to draw them with a white crayon. You might also need a thread to sew in your work. You need a needle. You need a needle just to sew your pillow. You need safety pins, and a pair of scissors to cut your fabric. And let me tell you my secret of getting nice round pillows. I used my leads from my pots. So I use the leads from Limogen. You can use any other leads as long as they give different sizes that you prefer your pillow to be that size. From this Limogen leads, I get a size 20 in diameter from the small one. It's not the smallest, but it's one of the small ones I have. And I get a 24, 26, and 30. But my personal preference is a 26. So from my previous tutorials, tutorial 4, for instance, I had used that 26 diameter in a round pillows to make something like this. And I'm also still going to have another tutorial where I'll teach you how to make a pillow like that. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's start. You can either start like that, you just draw circles as long as you have placed them to leave an allowance like that when you sew. So I'll start with this one. I'll have just draw like that. By the way, this is folded in two. So this is 2 meters. I've just folded it nicely like that so that I can have my pillows nicely. So you do that and you skip. You have another circle. The last one for this one, you do like that. And let's just leave that one there. Space like that with the 30. This one is one of my favorite sizes. Draw like that. Draw like that. in order not to waste a lot of material, you can still have a smaller yana, a smallish, smaller than this one there, for your kids' dolls. Yeah, you can still use that portion. Then I have those. Let me see if I can have another one there. No. Can still have more there. I can still have another one of the size 24. Another one, I can still get 2 here. Yeah, so it's as simple as that. You can get another one. No, that one I cannot. I'll have to use this one. So I'll use that small size. And the last ones there. So it's as simple as that. This one there. And the last one there. So we are going to put safety pins now. Just to secure it so that we, when we are cutting, we have it in one position. So we're just going to put safety pins all around. Like that. Safety pins. Safety pins, and we cut outside. Just try to cut outside like that so that you have a viti. So let's meet after we have cut the circles outside to have a rounds like this. And after this, I'm just going to show you how to do a back stitch to sew for our pillow. Okay, so we are done cutting our round pieces. We just want to mark furthermore for where we want sew for now, because we would want to use that as something that will make us feel inside. So I'm just going to show you quickly how we do a back stitch. So we're just going to start there. We're going to start there, put our needle there. We will put it out there. This is just for demonstration, but then we won't make that big. So we'll do it halfway, and then we pull the thread through, and then just for beginning we will do another one, same, pull the needle underneath like that, and we have secured our wig. So now when we start sewing, we'll go back to that one, but this time we will estimate, put it in and out and estimate same working area, pull it out like that. So we are just going to do this back stitch like that, continue to estimate, pull it like that. So we will do that all the way around until we are there. So I'll just do 3 more so that you see, get in, pull it out, all the way round. So we do like that. Let's meet when we are at the end. Okay, so Xikhigelo amakumweni. What we do, it will just secure that. We just do that twice. This time we just do that twice, and we can cut. Yeah, so we have our back stitch all around. This time we're going to turn this cushion around. So for it to turn it nicely, you still have to cut like that to give it allowance to have a nice turn, not all the way to the back stitch. Just like that. This is just to allow it to turn it nice. Oh, that one was not necessary. Then you remove your safety pins. Remove your safety pins and turn it inside out like that. And fill it in with your pillow filler. So let's meet when we are done filling it in. Okay, so we have done, I think we have filled it to where I'm satisfied. So to close that, you'll have to turn this inside, and that is already turned. I want to bring this together. So we'll bring it together like that. Take our needle there where we ended, or we can start, if you don't like the thread showing, you can start like that. Secure it there and do this stitch, a running stitch like that. So you do like that until the end there to close. That's simple. So we have closed all the way there. We are at the end. We just run it a little bit so that it doesn't untangle, and do it twice there. To secure it, put the needle in, and put it out. This is just to hide the tail, and cut. Cut that thread. So voila, we have our cushion, and we are done. But I just want to simply show this one is a size 20, is the smaller cushion that we have. Let me bring that lid again. So it's from this size 20. Now that it's filled with some filler, it doesn't really show that it's size 20. So we are going to now put it in our worked crocheted pillow, and we continue to close it up. So this, how to knit this beautiful cushion, it will be in our next tutorial. The purpose was to show you how we make our homemade cushions. If you like this, you enjoyed this, please subscribe to our channel, and you can also share, you can also comment, ask questions. Let's answer you. Bye bye.